Soil degradation has proven to be of increasing concern, and it can be attributed to issues such as soil compaction and nutrient leaching from excessive farming. It has wide sweeping impacts, including the reduction to plant biodiversity. We can see it's captured the minds of younger generations who have thought up some innovative solutions to these problems. In partnership with the organisation Primary Engineer, these design concepts act as the inspiration for our project, while inspiring these budding engineers in the process. We have performed outreach to local Southampton councillors and community farms to further classify the task at hand, giving our project a clear direction going forward. We employed a robust design process in tandem with numerous prototyping processes. The prototyping processes used span a wide range, from the cutting and assembly of aluminium extrusion, additive manufacturing, soldering, and embedded programming. All of these processes were vital to producing our final prototype. The system consists of several subsystems. These all interact to produce the various functions of the system as a whole. The seed metering system dispenses single seeds, which are then planted by the seed planting system to a given depth. The soil quality subsystem determines soil conditions. All the above subsystems are mounted to the chassis that is propelled by the electrically powered drivetrain. Careful consideration was taken into how the system could be operated by the end user. An app was developed to allow the user to input their preferences and return appropriate seeds. The following step would be the path planning process, which begins with the user defining the area of interest within the plant, providing geographical coordinates to our program. Using this information, we determine the seeding location and generate the shortest path. Testing in the build space consisted of an assessment of the performance and functionality of the seed meter, seed planting system,